I'm Dr. Freeman from Freeman Chiropractic Wellness, and today I want to demonstrate a simple hip flexor stretch. But before we jump into the demonstration, let's talk about why this stretch is important and who might benefit from it. The hip flexors, as the name suggests, are responsible for flexing the hip. This means decreasing the angle between your leg and your torso. If you happen to be a person who sits a lot, whether it's at a desk job, behind the wheel of a vehicle, or for whatever other reason, your hips are in a flexed position for a large percentage of the day. This leads to tightness, which can lead to pain. But this can be counterbalanced by adding this simple stretch into your daily routine. Now, why should you care? Well, if you're a person with tight hip flexors and you suffer from low back pain, then this stretch can be a great thing to try. If you've ever had your hip flexors worked on, you probably noticed that the practitioner accessed them through your belly, not through your back. So you might be wondering, what does this have to do with my back pain? The hip flexors happen to be very large, very deep muscles. So when they act up, the only symptom oftentimes is low back pain. So if we loosen up those muscles, there's a good chance that it'll have a positive effect on your pain as well. Now let's jump into the demonstration. So I always recommend doing this stretch up against a wall because it's a little bit tricky with balance, and if you do happen to lose your balance, it's nice to have the wall to lean on. Step one is to stand up against the wall and take the leg that's further from the wall and take a big step back. Then you want to push that back hip forward so you're increasing the angle between your leg and your torso. Stand up nice and tall, take that same arm, reach up toward the sky, and then laterally bend away so that you're leaning into the wall. If you perform this correctly, you should feel a nice stretch right in through here. Now, if you do have tight hip flexors and you suffer from low back pain, I recommend doing this stretch for about 45 seconds at a time on each side at least once per day. If you find it beneficial and you want to do it more frequently, knock yourself out. But if you happen to notice that your symptoms increase during the stretch or after the stretch, then please stop and reach out to a local healthcare provider or let us know in the comments down below and we'll do our best to help you troubleshoot. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found this stretch helpful, please let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe for more content coming soon.